I'm Derek Smith, and this is Pop-Up Camper Pro. You just got a new crank handle for your Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper and it's not fitting in the drive hub extension tube. There's a quick and easy way to fix this. All you need is your crank handle, a claw hammer, and concrete floor. Simply lay the handle flat on the concrete floor and give it a few taps. It doesn't take much, just a couple small taps until it fits in the tube. Say you hit it a little bit too hard and it will go in the tube now, but it won't catch the pin. The jaws are too close at the top. You can still use your claw hammer and just accept it into the end and worry it out a little bit till it grabs the pin. I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and smash that notification bell, and I will see you at the campground.
Watch out, she'll get an agent.